Hey, today I will tell you about the best service in the category Top Freelancer Sites. Having studied a huge number of services, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This freelance exchange gives you the opportunity to remotely earn on your unique abilities and skills. I want to tell you about 3 useful features that few people know about, but which really make this service the best in the top freelancer sites category. Take a good look at the screen so you don't miss the most important thing.
Upwork is one of the oldest and most popular freelance platforms with millions of employers and independent contractors around the world. Upwork is a perfect example of what today's freelance marketplace market calls a one-stop shop. And while this model has proven popular with some, over the years, both freelancers who get jobs at Upwork and clients looking to hire remote or part-time employees have found that it has some streams as well. Upwork freelancers can do any job that can be done remotely. There are no other restrictions for them. This makes Upwork a one-stop platform for freelancers. Some platforms on the market today are specialized, meaning they only work with one or a few types of freelancers. Bidding means that Upwork works just like any free market. Sellers can set whatever prices they deem fair, and buyers can choose the best price offer. For example, if you want to hire a freelancer developer to build a mobile app, you post the issue on Upwork along with a project description and requirements for candidates who want to apply to complete the task. This task can be seen by all freelance developers on Upwork who are currently looking for work. If someone is interested in your project description, that person can send you an offer. Upwork offers usually contain some information about the person applying, why they are suitable for the job, and most importantly, the rate. Rates can be either the hourly rate that the freelancer will be willing to work with, or a flat price for the entire project, whichever suits the task best. Since the number of Upwork freelancers vastly outnumbers the number of clients, chances are that you will receive many different rates, from incredibly low to incredibly high. Finally, Unverified means that Upwork only considers applications from freelancers who want to join their market in terms of whether they have enough professionals in the field represented on their platform or not. Upwork does not have specific verification procedures or tests to prove that the person joining the platform is truly a professional with the relevant experience and skills. The merger of Elance and Odesk created the Upwork community as it is today and took freelancing to a whole new level. The fact that Upwork allows millions of freelancers around the world to reach out to clients directly enabled them to go public through Upwork's IPO in 2018. But despite all the good things Upwork has brought to the world, the market for freelance platforms has changed. Today's freelance community has higher expectations and demands, and unfortunately Upwork cannot keep up with them. The Upwork website is probably the first place people turn to when they need to hire freelancers. This platform is the best choice for many and attracts both the world's best and worst freelancers in all professions. According to the Upwork wiki, the platform has over 5 million registered clients accounts and over 12 million active freelancers. Whether you hire virtual assistants, copywriters, marketers or financial experts, lawyers, developers, designers, Upwork freelancers come in all shapes, sizes and professions. Some of the feedback comes from people who have built entire teams from people they found on the platform. This makes Upwork suitable for those who want everything in one package. The bidding system allows freelancers to compete for orders with Upwork offers that they send out to clients whose projects they are interested in. Since there are no set limits on hourly wages, freelancers decide which bids to place themselves. Some of them choose to compete through dumping, which usually lowers the price range seen on the platform. Unfortunately, the same makes it unwise for freelancers with higher skill levels to get a job at Upwork. Every Upwork payment goes through escrow. Once you agree to all terms of the freelance contract you decide to hire and are ready to start working with them, you will be charged. But the money will be held in the middleman's account until your freelancer completes a full task or reports a milestone and you confirm the job as done. Only then is your payment transferred to the contractor. In the worst case, if the person you hire does not fulfill the delivery or does not meet the requirements you set, you can refuse to accept the assignment and demand your money back. Upwork is a highly competitive marketplace. According to available statistics, the number of freelancers on the site exceeds the number of active clients at least 3 times. As we all know, competition is good. It promotes both higher quality and lower prices for buyers. As a client, you can never be sure who you are hiring on this platform. Anyone can complete and submit an Upwork proposal for the job they are interested in, and there are basically no professional requirements that they must meet and no way to prove that the person you want to hire is suitable for the job. Of course, you can take some time to check them out for yourself. Take a close look at their Upwork profile, read reviews from their previous clients, interview them, etc. The platform's customer support team and their inability to resolve any tough issues their customers are facing is one of the most popular complaints that comes up in almost all negative Upwork reviews. They are slow to give feedback. They really show the flexibility and willingness to intervene in your problem. And worst of all, they seem to believe only one thing: the house always wins. So if you're counting on them to take your side, it might be time to lower your expectations.